Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we're looking at the Pstand from Torras. This is a great protective case for the iPhone 16 Pro with a really awesome stand feature. A massive thank you to Torras for sending this case over for the purpose of review. Of course it will be linked in that description down below, but let's take a look. So here we have the stand case from Torras. Now we've got 4 different colorways that we're going to be looking at in today's video, and each case comes in at $32.99, so pretty good value overall when you consider the actual case itself and some of the features that we're going to be getting here. Now as you can see here, it's for the iPhone 6.3, which is the standard iPhone 16 Pro, and this one here is the rose gold. However, for some reason on the actual Torras website it's down as desert gold. All of the colorways that I've got in this video are actually named something different on the website, so I'll be sure to link everything down below so you know exactly what you're going to be getting. So the first thing you're going to have is a warranty card. All you have to do is just scan the QR code on the back just to activate the warranty side of things, and then we go on to the actual case itself. Now like I say, for around $32 it's a pretty good looking case and it feels pretty nice as well. I'm a massive fan of the more frosted design. Yes, I do like a clear case depending on the colour of iPhone that you've got, but I also love the diffusion that a frosted case offers, especially with the white titanium model of iPhone that I've got here. You do have some Torras branding on the bottom side of things here on the stand section, and also on the left hand side a very minimal bit of Torras just on the side here. And then on the back we do have the main feature of the case, and that is going to be the stand side of things. And that's good for around 40,000 folds, offering hands-free use while charging or watching something, or just in general while trying to use the device. Of course you've got your MagSafer ring on the back here along with the downward alignment magnet, and you've got a pretty good camera cutout here in regards to the overall protection. You do have your covered power button just as you can see here, and then we do have a cutout for the camera control button, so it's going to be sort of indented into the side of the case itself, making it nice and easy to get to, but it may be a little bit flimsy. We'll have to see when we get it onto the actual device itself. Of course then you've got all of your other covered buttons as well, with regards to the action button, the volume up and also the volume down, but they're pretty tactile in general and they have a nice look to them, matching the colour of the outer silicone case. You then of course have your cutout along the bottom of the device here for the speaker side of things, and also the USB-C. It's a pretty large opening, so no issues at all with any of the USB-C cables I've actually tried. And that's pretty much it with the case side of things. I do like the overall look of the case, like I say, with the frosted design and the coloured accents on here as well, but like I mentioned, we've got this case and we also have 3 other cases. So what I'm going to do is do a very quick unboxing, get all of them out of the packaging, and then we can take a look at each individual one on the phone itself and see which one's going to come out on top. And going from the description that is on the Torras website, going from left to right, we have the black, the clear, the titanium grey, and also the desert gold colorways, and that's all of the colorways that they're currently offering, pretty much matching each individual iPhone. And the only case that's actually going to be different compared to the rest of the lineup is going to be the clear case, and that's because it being a clear case, there's no colored accents whatsoever. You've got a completely clear, more of a TPU as opposed to silicone finish. However, it does still have the really nice stand on the bottom here, MagSafe, all the protection, covered buttons, everything that you would expect with all the other cases, just a more of a TPU style clear case. Now for me though, my 2 favourite colorways are probably going to have to be the standard black and also the titanium grey. You kind of can't go wrong with these more muted colours. However, in regards to the fit test and actually seeing how it looks on the device, we'll just go with the newest colour, the desert gold. Now having that silicone outer edge means it is super easy to actually get the phone into the case. However, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Around the back here you can see the look that we're going for with the white titanium shining through along with the coloured accents. You've got some pretty good protection overall here with the camera ring around the back side of things here. It does raise it up quite a lot, so if you're going to have it on a table, yes, it's going to rock a lot, but then again, if you're going to be dropping your device or putting it backside down, you don't have to worry about the camera side of things whatsoever. Now like I mentioned, all of your buttons are going to be covered, so you've got your action button and volume up and down all completely covered. However, they still have a really nice tactile clickiness to them. Nothing along the top side of things here. Your power button again is going to be covered, and then we move on to the camera control side of things, which like I say has the standard cutout that we're starting to see on the 16 Pro line of cases. As you can see here, you've got a dip going down, so it makes it very easy to actually get in there and actually use the button itself, but there's no sort of covering at all. I'm going to be doing a future video on how I feel about this moving forward, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Along the bottom you've got your cutouts for the speaker side of things, USB-C, and like I mentioned, plenty of room for all the USB-C cables that you may have. And just in general, the silicone nano coating that you have on the case itself makes it feel extremely nice. It also is pretty slim, coming in at 0.04 inches, and that's also taking into account the stand side of things as well. So protective, thin, and it feels pretty good also. Now you've also got some N56 magnets on board here, which makes them 1.5 times stronger than the standard magnets that you're going to get in Apple's official silicone case. But the main thing that we're going to have with this case, of course, is in the name, the Pstand case is going to be the actual stand itself. Now this is one of the best feeling stands that I've ever seen on a case. The hinge itself feels extremely good. You can pretty much have it at any angle, and just in general for watching TV shows or using your phone while it's propped up in either portrait or landscape, it feels pretty good. I'll probably put in some B-roll around now with regards to the stand side of things, but as you can see, it does a very good job of propping up your device in regards to watching any shows, or just in general if you want to be using the device. It's a pretty neat feature to have if you do use your phone on a regular basis, using it for watching TV shows, YouTube, or just in general want to use it more hands-free. Now the only other thing that I wanted to talk about with this case is around the lip. Now you do have a lay on the table design here, as you can see, and if you use it with a tempered glass screen protector, yes, it is going to be a little bit less. But the lip itself means that the camera control side of things, the silicone around there, is just extremely loose. Now this is going to be a common occurrence I think on cases moving forward, but for this particular case with the Pstand here from Torras, it does have a little bit of give to it, which I could probably do without. However, the outer silicone shell means that taking the phone out of the case is super simple to do. Now just a very quick look here, I'm just going to put the black case on. This is what this one's going to look like. It's more of a classic design. You've got a nice frosted back on the side there with your black accents, and then the titanium grey also looks great in my opinion. Now though, with the clear case, as you can see, you do have just a bit more of a standard TPU style case. If you've ever used any sort of clear TPU case, you kind of know what you're getting yourself in for. Again, you've got the camera cutout side of things, you've got all of your covered buttons on here as well, but of course you do have the MagSafer ringer on the back there, so you've got MagSafer as well as the clear side of things. A little bit of Torras branding here and also on the stand, and again down the bottom, all of the ports and cutouts that you need as well. Now I am a fan of this particular clear case, but again, because it is actually not the silicone that we have of the coloured ones, it is the TPU, again around the camera button and just in general around the screen, there's a little bit more give than I would like, so not necessarily the most secure feeling case out there. Yes, once it's on, the phone isn't going to be falling out or anything, but it's very easy to get the phone in and out, which I do prefer a little bit more of a secure fit in my opinion. And I think that's why for me, actually my two favourite colours are going to have to be the Desert Gold and the Grey Titanium. I just think the overall look with regards to any iPhone that you're going to be using, it's going to look great, and again you've got the silicone side of things, so feeling a little bit more secure. You've still got the stand, that nice frosted back. I think these are some of the better cases out there. And that's going to do it guys for this video on the Pstand case from Torras. Like I mentioned, it will be linked in the description down below, but again, let me know in the comments section below if you guys have the newest iPhone, what case you're going to be looking at using, or if you've already got a case, which one it is that you've picked up. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and if you're not already subscribed, of course now is a great time to do so, and once you hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on notifications so you're notified anytime I post a video here on the channel. We have got a ton of content coming up with the new iPhone 16 Pro line of devices, cases, accessories, and the phone itself, so again, subscribe and turn on the notifications. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.